Crisis in crude. Is it for real or is it just a fake out? Let's take a look at the chart. What we're looking at right now, hi, this is Adam Hewison for MarketCLUB. What we're looking at right now is a daily contract of the May crude oil traded on the New York Mercantile Exchange. And we're going all the way back to 04 right here, so you can get an idea of the date. And there are some things that sort of stand out. I've been of the belief that this is a big top, but you've got to listen to the market. You've got to pay attention to what the market's saying. So let's take a look at a couple of things that I think are important here. One is we want to draw some trend lines, which are very easy to do with MarketCLUB. We've got this trend line starting here that runs all the way up here. That's clearly been broken at this point. Also, we have this trend line going starting here down to here, which basically has been broken on the upside, and that looks like we're headed higher. But there's a couple of things you want to look at. One of them is our Fibonacci retracement tool, which I'm going to draw a Fibonacci retracement. You can see the point is right here. I'm going to click on that, and what you do, you click on the utmost point, highest point, and then the lowest point. Then you see a series of lines that are drawn here, and these are a 38% retracement. So 38%. So if you look at the move from here to here, the market's retraced 38%. The next line is a 50% retracement, and the next line is a 62% retracement. Now, as I said earlier, I've always thought this is a pretty major top in crude oil. This area here, I thought was very important that we see this area hold. Now we're getting back to a point where we've already seen a first area, which is a 38% retracement, which is right here. The market really came down. It's going back now, maybe challenging the 50% retracement, which is around the 67 area. And this market clearly has problems at this level. I would say that the area of 67 is on a closing basis only. We may exceed that, maybe go up to 68, 69 if things get really hot, but on a closing basis only, we should have problems in this area. So I'm not altogether convinced that we're going to see this crude oil just take off. This is a natural progression. I think there's lots of crude oil still around. Of course, we're in a volatile area in the Middle East, which things can change, and you have to be obviously aware of that. But let's take this off the screen, and let's just look at some of our indicators that we have. I'm going to take all these signals and trend lines off. So I'm going to click on to our giant footprints, and I want to go to a weekly chart, and I'm going to change this into a bar chart. You see how easy this is to do. And what we're looking at right now, you can see in January we had some signals on the weekly chart that the market was going higher, which is one of our key indicators. And then again we had a signal on the 28th of March saying it's once again resuming as it took out these tops right here, right at this point in time. But this is the area that you have to look at. This area, the 68 area, is definitely going to present problems for this. And if we step this even further, go into our monthly charts, as you can see in our monthly charts, we've been negative for quite some time. Even though we've had a rally here, it's still saying this market is negative. Now this is going to remain in effect until the end of the month, the end of March. Which is coming up pretty fast. But this area here is definitely an area that is going to present, in my opinion, some problems for the market. But right now, the near-term trend is up. The longer-term trend is still negative, in my opinion. And we're going to see some potential, more of a trading range. If the crisis with Iran and the British seamen are resolved fairly quickly, then crude will just come right back down again. So let's take another look at our daily signals. And here they are. As you can see, from 60.35 the market's gone up. And I'm going to scope this out a little further. And you can see just recently it was down at 63.50 and went all the way down to 58.50. So again, this is a market that's in motion, and it's all right now depending on what's happening in the Middle East. So the key thing here in my mind is to trade on what the market is doing and not on emotion. And right now, the line of least resistance for this market is on the upside. However, this is going to be a very volatile market. It should only be traded by people who are willing to take a substantial risk, because this is not normal practices in the marketplace. You're talking about a highly volatile situation. Now, had you used our program, you would have done actually very, very well. And that is, just ignore all the news and just trade with the program and basically buy, sell, so forth and so on. And if you filter your trades, it's even better than that. So again, we recommend filtering your trades, diversifying your assets. I hope you enjoyed this little lesson on crude oil, but it's important to filter your trades, diversify, and be in non-correlating markets. Thanks for watching. Every success in the market. Let's see what happens to crude. I think it's going to be a very exciting market this year. Lots of opportunities to make money, and I hope you're there making money right alongside us. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon on the web. Take care.
Wow. Thanks a lot, Adam. Hi, this is Brad Stafford, Director of Marketing here at INO.com. I want to thank you for taking the time out of your busy day to watch our short video. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 1-800-538-7424. I'm the Director of Marketing, and I want to help you out. We have a tech team standing by to help you in any way, shape, or form that we can. I'm going to redirect you to a page where you can take our 30-day risk-free trial today. Soon as you fill out that information, you'll have MarketCLUB to chart, track your own symbols. Hey, welcome to the club, MarketCLUB.